Hey everyone, Bilal here, and welcome back to Around the Globe with Bilal. Today, we're talking about navigating the airport. Airports can seem overwhelming, but once you know what to do, it's a breeze. I'll give you a step-by-step guide from arrival to takeoff, with insider tips to make your journey smooth. Whether you're a first-time flyer or need a refresher, stick around. Let's go. First things first, arrive early. For international flights, get to the airport at least 3 hours before your flight. For domestic, 2 hours should suffice. Airports are like mini cities, and there's a lot to do. Arriving early gives you time to navigate traffic, find parking, and go through security without stress. You can relax, grab a coffee, and familiarize yourself with the airport layout. Remember, a calm traveler is a happy traveler. You've arrived, now it's time to check in. Online check-in is your best friend, super convenient and saves time. Check in online 24 hours before your flight through your airline's website or app. If you prefer airport check-in, head to your airline's counter with your passport and booking confirmation. If you have luggage to check in, do it here. Ensure your bags are within the airline's weight limit to avoid extra fees. Overweight bags can mean extra fees, and nobody wants that. Now you're ready to move on. Now comes security. Keep calm and follow instructions. Before you get to the line, gather your things. Boarding pass, passport, and liquids in a clear, resealable bag. Place your laptop, phone, and liquids in separate trays. Remove metal items like belts, jackets, and jewelry. Follow the officer's instructions at the scanner. You might be asked to step into a body scanner or go through a metal detector. It's all routine and designed to keep everyone safe. You'll be through in no time. If you're on an international flight, you'll go through immigration after security. Have your documents ready and answer a few simple questions about your trip. The officer will check your passport and visa, then stamp your passport. You're good to go. You're almost there. Now that you're through security and immigration, find your gate. Your gate number is on your boarding pass. Give yourself time to get there. Double-check the screens for any changes. Charge your devices, grab a snack, or relax. When it's time to board, listen for announcements and join the line when your section is called. Find your seat, store your carry-on, fasten your seatbelt, and get ready for takeoff. And that's it. You've navigated the airport like a pro and made it to your seat. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming. Safe travels!